Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video I'll tell you how to fix touch screen not working. If your iPhone screen is not working and is twitching, glitching and pressing random things on the screen without you touching it. But first subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos and hit the like button. So let's start the video without wasting any time. The first step is restart your iPhone. It sounds basic, but turning your iPhone off and on resets your device and resolve many software issues including ghost touch. For this, press and quickly release the volume up button and do the same with the down button and press the power button. Next, slide to power off and wait for some time and then press the power button until you see the Apple logo on your home screen and you are done. And the next step is update your iPhone software. Check for an iPhone software update, open settings, scroll down, tap on general, next tap on software update, wait until the page is loading. See if there is any update available, then tap on update now and update the latest version of iOS and you are done. And the next step is install available app updates. For this, go to App Store and then tap on your profile icon at the top right corner. Next, scroll down to update all option and then tap on update all to update your apps and you are done. And the next step is check accessibility settings to stop your iPhone screen from glitching. For this, go to settings, scroll down and go to accessibility option. Next, scroll down and then tap on touch option. If assistive touch is enabled, your iPhone will respond differently. When you perform custom gesture to disable it, tap the assistive touch and turn off the toggle to disable the feature. Next, go back to touch settings. If touch accommodation is enabled, your iPhone screen might ignore repeated taps or have a delayed response. To turn this feature off, tap touch accommodation and turn off the toggle. Next, go back to touch settings. If back tap is enabled, your iPhone is set to perform certain commands when you double or triple the back of your iPhone. If you want to disable it, tap back tap, tap double or triple tap and select none for both of them. If your iPhone screen is still glitching and unresponsive after adjusting these accessibility toggles, adjust the touch settings back to your preference. And next, remove your screen protector to stop phantom touch. And the next step is reset your iPhone setting to resolve ghost touch. Sometimes ghost touch is caused by a customized device or app settings, so we will want to reset your network, location, privacy, keyboard, home screen and Apple Pay setting back to the defaults. For this, go to settings, scroll down, tap on general, scroll down to the bottom, next tap on transfer or reset iPhone and then tap on reset. Next, tap on reset all settings. Enter your passcode and confirm you want to reset and you are done. And the next step is to fix your glitchy iPhone screen, perform a factory reset. If your phantom touch issues are still unresolved, it's time to do a factory reset. A factory reset erases your iPhone's data and settings, so it is as if your iPhone is new out of the box. This is a great way to resolve underlying issues with settings, software and more. For this, go to settings, scroll down, tap on general, scroll down to the bottom, next tap on transfer, reset iPhone and then tap on erase all content and settings. And then tap on continue. Next, tap on erase iPhone again to confirm and you are done. I hope this solution will fix your issue of touchscreen not working or how to fix ghost touch on iPhone, and also let us know in the comments below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.